bike, Mother.
Are you draw?
Yeah. What in the world is that? That's optimized. Sculpt. So do we want it to go in?
Sure. No, bring it back out because that makes the wind. Nope.
There.
Okay. Length is good.
I think that's all good. We need to get some efficiency. Which gains efficiency. Alright, here's our winning car. How's it going over there, guys?
Like my business.
Stacy and Alyssa's car. We'll see who the winner is.
Check is around the corner. For your safety,
You ready?
remain seated with your seatbelt fastened in your hands, arms, and legs.
You guys ready?
I don't have my seatbelt on.
What the heck?
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad siempre está abierta de emergencia. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuida los niños.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. See how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting you on star. SIM car performance data acquired.
Designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather support.
All right, we won, Mom.
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles can go and prove their efficiency.